children, we are in Computer Networking Chapter 1 of Class 8. Today we will be learning about network topologies and network securities. Let's begin. What is a topology? Topology refers to the layout pattern in which various computers are connected to one another in a form of network. The computers on a network are also referred to as nodes. There are 4 different types of topologies. They are bus topology, ring topology, star topology and mesh topology. Now what is a bus topology? In bus topology, all the computers are connected to a single cable like it is shown in the figure. The transmission of the data from any computer travels through the length of the bus in both the direction and can be received by all other computers on the network. If the address of a computer is that of an intended recipient, it accepts the data, otherwise the data is rejected. The advantage of bus topology is that it is quite easy to set up. However, a network cannot function if there are breaks in the bus. Second type of topology is a ring topology. In ring topology, each computer is connected to 2 other computers so as they form a closed ring-like structure as shown in the figure. In this topology, data is transmitted in one direction only. The disadvantage of ring topology is that the breakdown of any one computer on a ring can disable the entire system of network. Next to ring topology is the star topology. In star topology, all computers are connected to a central computer or a central node. The data to be exchanged between any 2 computers passes through the external central node. The central node controls all the activities of the nodes. More computers can be easily added to the network. The breakdown of computers except the central node does not affect the functioning of the network. Hence, the failure of a central node disables the communication across the entire network. Last type of topology is the mesh topology. In mesh topology, every computer is connected to every other computer on the network. Full mesh topology is very expensive to implement. Normally, partial mesh topology is implemented in which a computer is connected to few other computers in the network. There both the figures in the slide is shown. Full mesh topology and partial mesh topology. Let us now understand network security means protecting the data and resources from any unauthorized access. It is a process of taking preventive measures to protect the underlying networking infrastructure from unauthorized access, misuse, modification, destruction. It is the most important aspect in a computer networking. Since many users are accessing the same data, so we must ensure its proper security. Only authorized person can access or modify the data. Levels of network security. First is a login security where a user gives a unique username and a password. And the second level is write security. Based upon username, users are given rights like read-only access or read-write access or no access. A combination of rights can also be granted to the same users. Children, we have completed the chapter today. Thank you and have a great day. Do subscribe to the channel for additional information regarding this chapter. Thank you and have a great day.